stuff. What you do want to do, of course, is to record it, and then you go into record sales. When you click on it, see, this is the page. Very, very simple, interesting, and detailed platform. Once you This is your page where you make transactions. You can see search product name. Right now I've already uploaded some products. So once you go in here, which you need to do too for your store, not difficult at all. I will show you us that in just a couple of minutes now, how to upload all our stock at the same time, so you don't have to do it manually every time. I mean single every time. So to search, just tap in here, and then depending on the goods you have, somebody want to buy a goods that starts with the letter B, just type on B. Of course, everything that starts with B pops up. Bread, all right, somebody's buying bread for £2, then you click on it. That's it, bread is there. And then you scroll, and then if the person is paying, the name you are seeing here is the name of the staff who is selling the bread. So of course you click on the pay, and then you click on save transaction, and then that's it. The customer just bought bread. And then if you want, you can share a receipt. I mean, if a receipt is wanted, you can share a receipt so that the customer can have a receipt, and also you can share the link, to somebody. I mean, you can just do all of this. It's a copy, you invite link, and invite a friend. You can share, invite via WhatsApp also for somebody to just have it. So yeah, we can just quickly move on. So now we have the pay later button. You can see the pay later. So if you do pay later, that means you might have to input the customer's name. So I mean, this person is not going to pay now, so you need to have a record of the person so you don't forget who he is. So let's assume Sunday is the person's name, and then here you go, you have the phone number, of course, because what this does, just put a random phone number. What this does is you want to have a phone number so you can easily send a message automatically after some couple of days, maybe after 3 days, after 7 days. You can send a message automatically to let the person know that the debt is still outstanding. And of course, discount, you can also do discount. This is fixed. When you say fixed, probably that's maybe £2 discount, or depending on the currency, you put it there, and that's it. That's the discount. But here we go, we have percentage. So maybe 10%, 2%. So it's going to be 2% of the total money of the amount, of the purchase. So that's what's going to be as a discount. And then when you save, and that's it. So I mean, this is just good enough for you to do as much as you want to do. Now this scan is another feature. Of course, you understand how when you go to supermarkets, of course, you scan your goods, at the teller point, so that you just pay. That's exactly what this does. So when you want to scan, you can just click on, I mean, if you have your product that has barcode already, you can just click on this what's it called, the scan button, and then it turns on the camera of your device. And here we go. See, now we're ready to scan, and then here we go, we scan, and then we just keep it up for what's it called now, for the sales. So automatically you scan, and then the barcodes come in here, you see the product, and then it automatically fill in this place as if that's it. It does something like this automatically. I don't have a product now with barcode, but when you have one, it does what it does automatically. So of course, multiple products can go in here, and then enter more products. Let's say there's a product that starts with Y. I don't know. Okay, there's no product with Y. Let's say with E. Yeah, there's egg. So eggs, of course, you can see the stock is 25. The price is there, so click on it. So you have 2 items. I mean, you can add as many items as the customer is getting, and then keep going. And then what this does is that it automatically reduce your stock in the inventory, so you are having record of what is left in the inventory, so that when stock are low, you will get an alert that stock is also low. So this is a very, very powerful app that I really can't explain in a very, very short video, except you have a hands on it and then see exactly how it works. So let's go back to the dashboard. Yep. So if you go in here too, you see manage inventory. Yeah,